Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a Jerry MacNeish certified 1968 Z28 right here. It has 56,700 actual miles. This thing is a 3-owner cream puff. The last owner took the body off the frame, did a nice restoration while still preserving its originality. This one here is really special. It even has the original invoice, which I'll go over all this paperwork in a minute. You can visit volocars.com to read all the specs and study about 100 pictures of the car. You can also get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars. They're all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 68 Z28. Yeah, let me start from the beginning. A gentleman bought the car in Pennsylvania. I have the original invoice here. It is a genuine Z28, born Lemans blue, upper and lower, never had a vinyl top. 410 posi, black vinyl interior. So this is an original car. Jerry MacNeish certified the car. Here's his certificate, and I have his 2-page report. When he seen the car, it had 53,000 miles, and it was mostly original. He's calling it a really good survivor at that time. It had a lot of its original paint was still on the car when he did his report. It does have a CE counter exchange. That's a factory replacement motor. It is a correct motor. He did verify it is a real Z28, has its original cowl tag, original colors. He verified it's the original VIN number match M21 4-speed that's original to this car. He verified it's the original 12-bolt 410 posi rear end original to this car. And he went on to say it's good, clean, rust-free floors. Now since then, the third owner bought the car in 2010. He took the body off the frame. He did a restoration while preserving its originality. There was a second owner in there. The second owner was friends with the first owner. He actually went to the dealership when the first owner bought the car brand new. He went with them to give him a ride there. That guy ended up buying the car from him later. That was the second owner. And then the third owner is the guy I got it from, who's had it since 2010. Like I said, he took the subframe off the car. It is the original clean floors, according to Jerry MacNeish. And it's just nice, clean painted. The whole front end was rebuilt. All the ball joints, bushings, all that's new. Has spiral shocks front and back. That's the correct type shock that they used back then. He did add a sway bar in the back. You look up at the motor, it's fresh. The motor is just rebuilt. And you look up at it, it's clean. Starter's new. The original M21 4-speed looks fresh. It's clean. The linkage looks new. It's a Hurst linkage. The original 12-bolt rear end is still in the car, but he did take the 410 out and he put 355 posi gears. It's a lot more practical. This guy would go cruising with his friends and go to car shows, and it's just a more practical gear on the road. Has what looks to me like the correct exhaust system. It has a dual exhaust with a transverse muffler. It's a sideways muffler, and then the dual's going out the back. The fuel tank, straps, line, all that looks new. So underneath the car is super nice and clean. He rebuilt the original brakes. They're originals, rebuilt, put back on the car, disc in front. Emergency brake cables are there. I even noticed there's a little bracket that holds the cable. That's always missing. So again, underneath is super nice. The body is super clean. The fit and finish is amazing. Laser beam straight. You look across the roof. This is a problem area through here. It's all beautiful. There's no cracking anywhere. It's all beautiful Lemans blue paint. Everything is square and flush, straight. Looking down the side is like a blue mirror. He did replace the quarters. I was asking the guy if he had to put quarters on it, and he said he kicks himself for doing it. because they weren't bad at all. They could have been fixed, but they are full quarters at the seam. The body shop at the time talked them into doing that. Nothing wrong with that. They did an excellent job 10 years ago, and it looks perfect. So it's all metal. All of the trim is exceptional. I purposely left the windows up. Look how nice it fits and shuts. And all this trim is shiny, straight, all in beautiful condition. Tail lights, bumper guards. These are the original bumpers, not reproduction. They're the originals. They've been rechromed. The spoilers were added to the car. It has all the original glass. Even the windshield is the original windshield. It's all nice and clear. You might find a little, like a light scratch here or there, but they're really nice glass in the car. These are the correct 15-inch wheels. I think the two-letter code is JK. They are the correct 15-inch, unique to the Z28 only. The other cars were 14-inch. I think the station wagon had a 15-inch rally, was a different code. Inside the glove box, there's a sticker that tells you what your tire pressure should be, and it gives the tire size 15-inch. That original old brown sticker on the inside of the glove box store documents that this is a real Z, because that 15-inch wheels were only on a Z28. BF Goodrich tires are new. There is a small crack right here in the middle of the grill. You wouldn't even see it unless you're looking for it. T3 headlights. And like I said, the motor is a CE. It's a counter exchange. It's a factory replacement motor. The guy did rebuild it. It is rebuilt to Z28 specs, although he did do some porting in the heads. He did put some roller rockers in there, but otherwise it's built to Z28 specs. Does have headers, which is common on a Z, and it also has this real unique cowl plenum. The air goes in the cowl and feeds right into the air cleaner. So that's a unique feature, a rare feature you don't see often. Jams are beautiful, weather strips are new, bottom of the door is clean. The interior is original, and that's right in Jerry MacNeish's report. It's an original interior. The carpet was replaced. Really nice original. Trunk compartment is all tidy and complete. It's a reproduction Goodyear polyglass tire on a 15-inch rally. The original jack is there. All metal, clean trunk pan. Has a new mat, new weather strip. All painted glossy, so real nice trunk compartment. And I love the interior because it's original. And you can just tell it's not worn or beat up. It has just enough patina where you know it's original. The door panels are straight. Now they're just like cardboard. They're not warped or wet or beat up. The armrests are real nice, and everything fits nice because it hasn't been all taken apart 10 different times and replaced with reproduction. Headliner's tight as a drum. The visors, the mirror's excellent. Has all the GM seat belts, even the shoulder belts. Has power brakes with the right booster. Looks like power steering lines might be new. Has the original deep groove pulleys that was on a Z so the belts don't fly off. Correct reproduction radiator. It's got the reproduction hoses, clamps, reproduction spring clamp battery cables. Everything in here is detailed. Everything's proper. I drove this car home on a Saturday, and I drove it around that next Sunday. I drove it home Saturday night, and I drove it around Sunday on my day off. The thing just performs absolutely like it's supposed to. Did everything right. Shifts nice, stops nice, steers nice, runs great, clutch felt good. The guy I bought it from assured me that I'm going to absolutely love it. He was right. I had no complaints for him at all. It does have a tilt wheel in there, reproduction floor mats. Fired up, nice clean instruments. The heater control panel's nice, the levers move nice. He did put an AM/FM radio. It looks like the original radio, but has modern guts in it. There's 6x9 speakers and upgraded speakers here. It actually sounds really good. I was very surprised, pleasantly surprised how well the radio plays. But there's your real music. Sounds just like a Z28 should. So I mean, it just does what it's supposed to. It starts right up and idles fine. It's not smoking, it's not knocking. Even the annoying key buzzer works. So, not too many unmolested 68Zs. These were performance cars. They got beat to death. This is a 3-owner, 57,000 mile car. Don't take my word for it. It's certified by Jerry MacNeish. He is considered the Camaro guru. Outstanding car, great colors. Visit volocars.com. There's plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They can help you out with that. volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.